Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Also, in the comments below, please leave what you want me to try and play, okay? Thank you.
Right there, let's go. Get back. Okay, Sandina. Come on. Come on. Oh. Ooh. Almost. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, we missed one. We'll get back, guys. I think it's curious here. We're back if we head to the bonus. We're down to $1.32. Finally got the bonus on a $2.50 bet. 1 cent peanut. Come on, let's go. Come on. There we go. Come on, Moon. Man, they smashed the shit out of that fucking button.
Yes,
Come on.
Tear up.
Come on. There we go. We triggered. I think we get 10 more games. I don't know. Oh, 5 more. Come on, man. Let's get some moons. Bonus and a bonus. Come on. Come on, moon. Oh,
Look at these guys. How much those guys?
oh. I don't know. Can we get a bonus and a bonus, you guys? Come on. Come on. Come on, Moon. Do something crazy. Cheeky fire's open, huh? Somebody else can sit there. Come on, Moon. We trigger. Come on, Moon. Come on. Come on, there we go. We need some big moons. Just collect 15 of them for that grand up there. What is it doing? It broke? There we go. It fucked up that button right there. Come on. price. Come on. Gotta smack the shit up. Come on. I saw a blue one pass. Why don't you just do it, man? That button's messed up. Come on. How about get all of them? I have a feeling we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it today. Let's go. Let's go.
Hit it.
Come on, fill both of them. That's these moons. Oh, 13 collected. They totally fucked up that fucking button down there. People need to be nice to these machines. Jeez. Start button is totally dead. They smashed the fuck out of that shit. Excuse my language.
不离楼你，
Oh, yeah.
不离楼啊！
I'm in the bonus now. Come on. Come on, let's do it again.
broken.
Man, I can't even forward this, guys. I'm so sorry. Come on, let's do it again. Oh man, minus 50. Come on. Let's get a couple more moves. Oh my god, re-trigger.
That's it.
Alright. 116.05. Go ahead. Couple. Do like, yeah, do. Come on, do 5 back and spin. Come on. Oh. That button's messed up.
Cheers.
We'll be back. Yeah, move over to the best bet, right? This is best bet. Can't send me now 250 bet. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Give us some trophies. Fill this baby up. Come on. Come on. More trophies, man. Come on. There we go. You're trying to add for trophies.
Minor mini. Wow, minor mini trophy. Or any trophy.
Boom, right there. Yeah.
I got 2.
Yeah, see? Gotta ask it like that. Right here. See?
Trophy.
Right here. Right here. Here you go. Here's a trophy right here.
Oh, I saw a mini. He's a mini. Come on.
Right here. Right there.
I got 2.
How about let's get 2 more? So we can get that hand pay up there, grand. Oh,
yeah.
one more. Come on, trophies. I can see you. I see you. I see you. I believe in you. Oh no, we don't even see that trophy right there. Come on, don't be doing that to us.
Come on.
Come on. Last one. No trophies. See, can't get it. When people hit that, gonna hit that, they usually see that trophy or the fireball in there. Come on, man. What a such a tease. God damn, that grand would have been, yeah, it was like 15 grand. Which guy was looking at me? He didn't say nothing? Oh, they probably passed. Let me pass. Come on, 192.50. They probably know that. My top of the star slots is here, so we should just let him report. Who cares? Alright. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Oh. Come on. Right there. One more spin, then we gotta stop because I don't want to get caught, guys.